Even my dog is waiting with anticipation. Isn't that right, Nisha? Oh yeah. Look what just came in. Oh shit. Eternal Blue Raise 57 CR. Let's go, boys. Look at that color. Oh my God. I'm so hyped. Well, watch me totally ruin the paint. She's all clean, boys. First time in well over a year. So guys, along with those rays that you just saw, a few days later, I finally got my dream set of wheels. I have wanted these ever since I first got the Infiniti back in 2012. These wheels are pretty popular for the G and Z guys. A lot of them ran these. They have been long since discontinued. I think they got discontinued in around 2011, 2012 actually. The wheels that I have, one pair, or I believe two of them were from production date of 07, and then the other two were production date of 09. But, well, here they are. So what you're looking at are 19-inch Volt GTS. They are, I believe, actually, I already forgot what the specs these were. They are 19 by 10.5 plus 18 and 19 by 9.5 plus 17. These are an absolute perfect fitment for our cars. I believe the fronts are a 245 tire and the rears are a 285. Let me confirm that. They are Continental Extremes. Got the tires with them. They're a very good price. Pretty happy overall with the purchase. I just have to clean them up. So we're gonna clean those up tonight, get them on the car. What's up guys? I am in the garage. As you can tell, there's no car in here. And it's kind of a mess because I've been looking for some stuff. I think someone got into my garage again and stole some stuff. Some ammo is missing, my ear pro is missing, and my shotgun is missing, which that's not good. So that's why it's kind of all torn apart right now because I can't find it. But besides all that, I wanted to go over, you guys saw the clip of my rays that I got. I also didn't show you guys these wheels. Oh, move all that. These wheels right here. Those two and those two. They are Volt GTS wheels. They are 19 by 9.5 plus 17 and 19 by 10.5 plus 18. Now that 18 and 17 offset, it could be flopped, but those are the numbers. Got them at a really great price. These will definitely be going on the car. There's my rays over there. Some stock OEM 17-inch wheels. Then here's my Impul NS-GT II wheels, which I only have two of them because that's all I could find, and I actually just found another pair a couple days ago. Unfortunately, I don't have the money now to buy them, and they were already sold, so I'm still on the hunt eventually for two more of those. Still waiting on the other pair of the rays. And then also, as you guys know, I got my Steely drag radials right there. Those haven't been on the car in a couple years, with a 275 tire on those. Yeah, those are all my wheels that I eventually will be swapping in and out every now and then. There's my new cooler because I'm going hunting next weekend. But yeah, I'm just kind of going through everything because, like I said, my shotgun is missing. And it's really weird because I had two other guns down here as well that, you know, obviously they didn't take. There's tons of car parts that they didn't take. All this copper and coils, same thing, didn't take. HVAC equipment, it's just weird. I don't know, it's weird. I mean, hell, right here, like, you know, I don't know. So I'm still looking through everything just in case I maybe somehow missed it. Yeah, here it is right here, at least the box that it used to be in. Yildiz pump shotgun. It's just not in there anymore, so there's some 5 gum though. Ew, that's kind of disgusting. There's the chokes that were still there. Yeah. So I might just have to file a claim with my insurance, file a report, and get some money back, which means more car parts, right? So, cause on top of that, some other small car parts have gone stolen. Nothing expensive. Like I think from last time, my LED kit, that's been gone. I have no idea. As far as I can tell, there's nothing else that's missing. It's just weird. But, well, anyways, there's this quick kind of video. I just wanted to show you guys my wheels. I was going to work on the car, but a check engine light came on. My old notebook I was using for uprev is now outdated from, with uprev. And I had to buy a new laptop. So I'm going to run the codes once I get it, fix whatever that is, and then get back to kind of, working on it again. So we're just kind of waiting, but I thought I'd update you guys on some of the wheels I just got. And I'll see you in the next one, hopefully with better news.
Didn't even get to cross.